Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. Oh my goodness, I'm finally trying viral clothes from Target. This is going to be accessible to everyone. And some of the products are online exclusive. Seriously, these are some of the hottest Target finds I've ever come across. If you are not saving and shopping at Target, what are you doing? I'm in disbelief. This whole outfit's from Target. Let's just get to it. This is a mid-size friendly haul. So if you're a size 8 to 14, 16, I'm gonna have you in a chokehold. We need to talk about these cargo pants. These wide-legged utility cargo pants, striped in all pockets and all. You guys will be proud of me too. I measured my hips, my waist and all. This is a size 12. They run all the way up to a size 30. Did I mention this was plus size, curvy girl friendly? You are telling me that these are not the cutest cargo pants stripe you've ever seen. It has like nice denim shade pinstripe, like distressed, washed out. Oh my god. You know they're cute. It says they're railroad stripe. I don't know what that means. It just must mean you've been run over a couple times. Because it is like washed out in certain areas. The pockets are so big and chunky. For a size 12, they are pretty lengthy and long on me, but nothing a Stitch Fix can fix. It kind of looks like I poured bleach all over my body, but like, go for it. You know what, Linda? I know there are a lot of girls shaped like me watching this video right now. I know we've been riding the high rise because it really tucks everything in and just eats up our cookie dough. But why are we not talking about mid-rise? The perfect length for us short, stout girlies. I mean, look at this. It's just about there. It's comfy. We can still hide and hug our hips. Oh my god, like we could still drop it like it's hot. Things are still comfy down here. Like we are okay. This pouch is taken care of even in a mid-rise. That is the secret sauce to us short girlies. It's very Y2K-esque, 90s. Baggy and junky. These utility jeans are made in denim rich cotton fabric. It's not as stiff and rough as denim. It has a little bit more softness and movement. Not too heavy either. They're mid-weight range. Not like light enough where you're like, it's kind of cheap. Or heavy enough where you're like, dragging it down. It's just perfect. I'm obsessed with this vintage finish. Like, hello? Are you seeing this? And they stand out. The pattern is so cute. The coloring is perfect. And it's just gonna spoof your outfit. Trust me, when you're wearing this, people are gonna be like, ma'am, who are you wearing? Target. Wearing clothes a little bit bigger is a life hack here. You feel skinty, your legs slim down. My waist looks tiny. Are you joking? This is from Target. I cannot with you right now. We are giving this a big yes. Okay, as I've been jumping and screaming and fangirling over these cargos, I've noticed one thing about this top. Look at the way it's hugging my sides. This top is for $10. Ribbed spandex t-shirt that's cooling. Also, like if you sweat in it, it's okay. I don't think anyone will see. It's not cotton, so it's not gonna soak that up. Girl. It has a waffle knit texture. So the ribbing is double lining. It goes down. It has little sparkles on the ribbing. What? Very minute. I don't think you can tell on camera, but it's so cute. The sparkles are made of metallic fiber, so it just gives you that little sheen shine. Back to the silhouette that just hugs your stomach. There's some type of banding down here. I don't know if you can tell. Seatbelts your stomach and needs your cookie dough. It's not rolling up, it's not stretching, it's just there. I need to buy more colors of this. They're 10 bucks. Dude, it's so flexible. You don't feel restricted. It has a nice cloud fit to your body. Forming, suckening. I mean, look at this. I might not be thin, slim, gym, but it's making me look flat. My stomach feels like in place, like where she needs to be, girl. You know what? For this kind of fabric, it is not rolling in my armpits. How about that for once? For a baby t-shirt like this, girl, my armpits are eating it up, crunching it up. Do we find that here? Judge? A jerk. I'm gonna grab every color. Yes! You guys, get this, get this. I'm screaming. This is a slip mini Ruffle baby doll dress. It's supposed to be a little bit shorter. Unfortunately, mine runs a little bit longer, and that's totally fine. I feel like this is super appropriate, but because it's supposed to be baby doll, it's just supposed to be like very mini. This is in the size extra large, so I understand why it's a little lengthy on me. If I were to tuck it in and properly cinch it to my like torso, like how cute this dress is, like how playful it is, the color. How are we surviving this? It has a lightweight satin undercover with full lining on it. Oh my god, my favorite part about this dress. Not only does it have a sweetheart ruffle tracing around your tatas, so there's a little bow here that you can undo. Gotta be careful though. Fine, right? But look, we want them juicing, so we're just gonna take this and bring it together. Why repel them? Like something for the girls. You know what? I would have been safe with the large because the bag has this paneling that you can stretch into, so you don't have to be so strict with yourself. Pairing it up with gold accessories, dressing it down with nice platform shoes, cute little shoulder bag, and a sexy, seductive perfume. I mean, think about it. I love how perfumes can change your attitude, your aura about an outfit, your confidence in it. It's definitely the fragrance you wear that like dictates what she Like slay. Sexy, cute, sophisticated, mature, chill vibes, relax vibes. Whatever you want to go for, seal it and lock it in. Oh, I'm dying. I'm in. Give me a second. Scentbird partnered with me on this video to complete your look and boost your confidence. First of all, I'm a huge fan, as we gathered. Second of all, you know when you're walking around, you just see like a regular schmegler Joe or Joanna, and then you walk past them and you get a whiff of them and you're like, and then it makes them 10 times more attractive. That kind of confidence. When someone smells so pleasing, it makes them 10 times hotter. I got some of the best seller scents from Scentbird, and I gotta be honest, my expectations were mixed. But then I think I accidentally made the most alluring, tempting collection. Okay, just be ready to get chased down the street by men, women, gays, theys, all in love. When I say run, run. Do not walk. I'll be wearing this until I die. This is fake. If you want to encapsulate a mature, charismatic, sexy, intelligent, I know my worth aura, here you go. This is Catherine Malandrino Mystere. It has a zesty fruit note blended with the best ratio of musk and floral. All of that in one gives you this explosion of irresistibility that just seduces anyone. So be careful, seriously be careful. There's a hint of orange zest that has me in my grave. I've never tried a perfume with this ingredient, and where have I been? Almost dangerous. Like instantly you melt in this scent. It's hater proof, but definitely not lovers proof. If you want someone to fall in love with you, this is my everyday go-to now, and I don't care where I'm going. McDonald's, grocery store, I'm putting this on. I've never tried a coffee intoxicating perfume before. This is Montel Paris Intense Cafe. Imagine stepping into a coffee shop in the middle of party. Petty, cozy, it's sophisticated. And there's that rose touch that helps bring out this sugary drip to the coffee mix. Like what? Intense Cafe is magical. Just reminds me of when something just clings onto your skin. Everyone lingering for you. AKA single ladies, are you taking notes? I'm crying because I'm a sucker for clean scent. This is Osment Liu Yuan Le Jardin Retrouvé. I tried. So the note that was super interesting to me was leather. Leather, mandarin, and a mix of jasmine. This scent just ignites a personality of kindness. Someone who's lighthearted and lively. Pure happiness. I wouldn't want to be around someone like this to reap their positivity. It's also super unisex friendly, so I can see myself spritzing this on me and my boyfriend because we need to step it up. If you're into rosy vanilla scents, I highly recommend this Initio Atomic Rose. It has this intense emotional charge that just smells very natural, like ground. This one definitely gives a more relaxed vibe, like a more chill, calm down fade, but then also like get lost in me. It's very simple, but like heads will turn. So you gotta tell them to not break a neck now. Scentbird is amazing. It's affordable and there's no pressure because you're not committing to anything full size from the get-go. Your first month is only $8, and even after that, it's like less than $17 a month. They have such a wide selection from Prada to Versace to also very niched, smaller labels. We love that. Again, they're flexible, so you don't have to commit to anything full size until you're ready. And if you don't want to, I'd keep going for the little ones. They're also packaged so dainty and tiny. For all my ADHD girls, I love the clickety clackety boo. Even though tiny, you are packaged with a 30-day supply of each fragrance, enough to experience them full. And to know I get overwhelmed easily, and I know some of you guys are like that too. So they have a quiz online that you can take to like get the full fragrant experimentation going, and also it caters to like what you like personally. Furthermore, if you want to advance your perfumery, there's a Scentbird Academy masterclass with an immersive video course about fragrances and collab with Joe Malone. So what are you doing? Use the code FEI to get 55% off at Scentbird. That is code FEI. Get the product for half the price. That's just $8. Okay, back to our haul. This dress is a yes. Okay. Wait. The haul did not just take a turn, did it? Let's first talk about this top before I step back. This is a denim halter. I got the size extra large because I did my measurement, but honestly, I would have been fine with the large. It's fine because it fits, and I'd rather it fits than squeeze me into like a Punnett square. It comes up high rise. Besties need to stay inside today. There are these buttons at the back that you can adjust it to. Kind of like your denim pants, huh? You have two flat pockets right here. They are real. Instead of stuffing your chicken cutlets inside, you can stuff them outside. Even though this is denim, it's actually cotton blend. It has like a little stretch to it. It's a little loose. It doesn't like hug my body well enough. I don't feel like it's stable enough on my body. If this was a strapless with no hooking around my neck, it would have totally slid off by now. I kind of want to get into denim tops more. I just feel like they're hardy. Not a great construction or all the girly pops. Like it kind of just looks like an apron on me. Oh, that's what it looks like. Crop mid belly section. I think if it was a little bit more fitted, I would have highly considered keeping this. This is our first no. Okay, now these pants. Listen, Linda. The funny thing is, these are supposed to be ankle length. They're like full blown to the ground length. The pink does not flatter the fupa area that well. It literally highlights it. If this shirt was just better and tighter and tinier, this could have been a good potential, right? These wide leg ankle jeans are a size 12. It could have been a fun pastel baby pink moment. It must be the material or something, or just how it sits on my fupa. These are a little bit too invasive, and because I'm short, it doesn't help that they're supposed to be ankle. That's why it's important if you're gonna wear a wide leg jean to wear something like tightening and cinching on your like waistline to at least like highlight your apple shape in a more fair, positive light. It's like you can still see my lunch and dinner 3 days ago. This whole outfit is a no. Okay, this is actually super cute. Didn't plan on liking this as much as I do. This is called a Pinafore romper. It's in the color coffee brown. Matches Montella, Paris, and Tins Cafe. I feel like I've been seeing everyone on TikTok buy these little rompers. Shoelace string that you just tie onto this thigh hole. It also reminds me of an apron. From the front, it's super cute. I like that I don't have a camel toe, and that's like usually my issue with everything besides the stomach. My only concern is I turn around and I swear to you, I look like Goldilocks in the 3 Bears. I really do. Like, I look like a bear back here. Like, it's kind of funky. However, just putting that to the side. I learned how to shoot a basketball properly. Perfect for summer when you're sweating and you're hot and you don't want anything sticking to you. Just slip it on. It's airy. It's not tight to your body. It gives you like a cute Christmas tree shape. Amazon box plus birdhouse. We're gonna roll with it. Flip it down here because it's cuffed. Adds a layer of personality. Oh my god! Maybe that's cuter for me because I'm so short. Hold on. It kind of helps the back a little bit more, doesn't it? I kind of feel like a baby. And then like their diaper gets all poofy, filled, and desensitized. I will say for my mid-size apple-shaped girly or pear-shaped girlies, actually a really good idea. Having a heavier set down in your lower belly area anyway, like a romper that kind of like shapes an A-line, it only complements your body. You can't tell. You can't see my stomach kink. This is a yes. Listen, Linda, I don't want you to think this is a one piece. This is a set. There's a top and bottom to this. First, let's talk about the skirt. I got this in size large and I'm realizing again, don't do that. Size down. Especially if you're gonna buy things with a little stretch right here. By the way, I'm realizing now, you guys might be like, well, why didn't you do that? I bought these online. I thought this set was so cute. It was so mauve-y. Nice, casual on a summer day. If you wanna go to the beach or you wanna go out to brunch, the fit just doesn't fit. I kinda look like I'm from outside Ohio. Anyway, this skirt has pockets and that was like what sold me. This striped pinned look makes you look tall, makes you look lengthy. It's supposed to be ankle length as well, so like supposedly that long. But then on me, you got a whole gown on. So this is the top that pairs with this, and you can tie it at the back. Has this diagonal cut down here. Pinstripe exactly like the skirt. Twin. I mean, the back is really cute. It's in this linen fabric. I thought this was supposed to be strapless. I didn't know that it was gonna come with strap. Oh, you can take it off. Like this. I like it way more. But then now I don't feel that secure, and I feel like any moment now, it's time to breastfeed. We're gonna give this a no. I saw this triangle cupped mini tiered skater skirt. I have to have that. I'm all about that V cut. This is a size large. That was a good call. However, I don't have the legs for it. If this was up here, you are left. This is a threat. Also, the underpiece is a little bit see-through. You can see this division right here, and that's because my black underwear is right here. Tiered, it has that asymmetrical hemline. It's supposed to be a mini, so it should be up here. I just love the layering to this. Fluffy and hides the tummy. It gives an illusion of a small waist. So this actually has woven florals on top of the yellow linen polyester blend. Then spaghetti straps, the triangle cups to hold the tatas. I love dresses that on the side, it comes up a little higher on the thigh. When I pull it up like this, it reminds me of something Sabrina Carpenter would wear. Could have been cute, could have been us. You guys got to pass on this. Okay, I think I was reaching. Hey, I'm admitting to my sin. When I saw the print to this dress, I thought, oh my god, so fun and funky, childish, but in like a mature take. The sleeves are flowy. It's supposed to imitate a mock dress. I don't know. I can see it so deeply in my vision. The reality. I don't even know how to help this. It's just not for my body shape, and I should have known. Maybe it was safe to go with the medium. However, the chesty besties aren't really saying that. And oh my god, there's a stain on this. I didn't do that. This neutral palette with the blue drawing, like it's very European feel. Playful, effortless. You are giving potato sack meets blue expo mark. This is just a friendly reminder to not dress who you're not. Easy no. Listen, seeing this on another body shape, I was like, oh my god. Suffice. This also gave me the same vibes like Old Money, Take Me Out to Brunch. Fitted on the body, which I like. I've been wearing only loose rompers, so something like this is nice. It needs to be steamed cuffed shorts as well. You do need to wear something underneath because as you can tell, you can see my underwear. So what else do you think you can see? I love the vest open wide shoulder look. Beige cream color is just so rich. Screams maturity. I do think it's a little tacky with this like flimsy little linen belt, because then it's just gonna twist and turn. The buttons are so freaking cute though. They're stinking adorable. The shade matches the romper so well, but then a button's gonna pop her too. Why is this see-through? Like you can see the pocket itself. It just sucks because it looks very expensive, but then when you actually have it in person, it's just a little tacky. This could have been a great potential though, honestly, if it was a little thicker, better quality. Boom! Oh my god, oh my god. These are Levi's. Ultra high rise, straight leg jeans that are supposed to be ankle length for normal like height people. Unfortunately, I don't fall under normal. Wait, let's just address the elephant in the room. These buttons are like kind of crazy. It's supposed to go like straight up, but I bought the size 31. I did my measurements and everything. I should have gotten a 32. However, I'm totally keeping these. You know me, I'm on my semaglutide. I am determined, I am confident that I will shed a pant size or two. These are perfect. They're ripped at my knee. The length is perfect. I'm screaming. Like I have a little booty in this. What? They feel normal on me. If you're gonna get these, just know that it's very slimming through the thighs, the hips, the fupa, but I kind of like that it holds in this area a little flatter. The little distress detail right here on the pocket. Oh, it's just so funny that they're supposed to be ankle length. Maybe that's a life hack. Like, even if I take off my shoes, I don't need to alter them. They actually look like normal jeans on me. Honestly, maybe Levi's is onto something. It's very flattering on the booty because asymmetrical lining, and I love this mid to dark shade wash. You're gonna be proud of me one day. I'm gonna fit these jeans. The fact that it doesn't give me a bad camel toe. Yes, you can still see where the path crossed, but it's not that bad. Honestly, I can deal. You guys been on this channel for the longest time. Like I have not found a pair of jeans that like flatter me. Big, fat, yes. Girl, you better get yourself to Target. Super trendy. It's all over TikTok. If you find something else very cute at Target, please send it to me. I need to get it so I can haul it for all of us Lindas, because this is a group effort. I'll see you in my DMs. Bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday